welcome to Dereham in Norfolk. Now, it's not every day you get the opportunity to take a sneak peek inside a brand new manufacturing outfit, but that's what we're here to do because Westcotec have opened up a brand new space. So it's an opportunity for us and a gathered group of guests, clients and stakeholders to come inside and take a look. So let's do just that.
So everybody, welcome to Westcotec. We are really proud of what we've achieved together. Well, today we are sitting in our brand new refurbished industrial unit, office unit. We have been on this site for the last 15 years. And this building originally was offices at the front and then a factory at the back. So it was divided in two, and it was quite rudimentary in relation to the accommodation. The way things are nowadays, you need to have somewhere you can showcase your product, you need to be able to invite people back, and it wasn't efficient for us manufacturing. So we took on the unit next door, which is the same size as our one here, and turned that into a brand new bespoke factory and production unit. And then this building was then given over totally to offices, and with meeting rooms and video conferencing facilities and rest areas for the staff and all that type of thing that we didn't have before.
So welcome to production. This is where we're now in. We were, I'd say, probably about a quarter of the size of this beforehand, with a similar amount of stuff. So you can imagine how crammed it was for staff to actually work around. Some of the signage we produce is around about 2 meters tall by 1.5 meter wide. So when you're humping that stuff around, it got a bit close and at times very confusing. But now, obviously, state of the art, everything here is brand new.
Well, I'm bowled over by that. It's a little while since I was at Westcotec and it has grown and grown up. I think it's amazing. But don't take my word for it. Let's hear some comments from some of the others who've been here today.
I know quite a bit about the signs. Obviously, lots of local authorities use the signs, lots of others do. They do work. It's all about reinforcement and an education message for motorists. So yeah, they do have a very positive effect.
Hi, I'm Pete Goodchild. I'm one of the casualty reduction officers down at Hampshire County Council. We've used Westcotec for, well, probably since they started. We were getting a lot of pressure in the mid-2000s for SID signs to go up. And being an engineering team, we like road signs. We like TSRGD signs. So we spoke to their salesman about whether we could have a portable version of the 30 mile an hour repeater sign with a slow down. And they were, yeah, we can look at that. And we had a few trial attempts and improved bracketry. And then what they then ran with and developed further was the speed limit reminder sign that they've now sold thousands of all around the country. So it was just so great to have been involved in something from the very beginning. Someone has an idea, and they ran with it.
I think this setup is absolutely fabulous, I've got to say. I think that they've considered their people, they've considered their portfolio. It'll be a great showcase for bringing customers, and to see that it's all very local and sourced locally and supplied locally, and obviously they're resourcing locally. It's great. And it's a really smart setup without being ostentatious and over the top.
When I was in charge of the road safety team in Norfolk, I was always pleased to work with Westcotec, and I was quite proud of the fact that we had an industry-leading company within our county. On behalf of the people of Norfolk, thank you. You have done a brilliant job in just helping keep us all safe.
Whenever you run a business, you've got a problem with succession. If, like me, my son was not prepared to run the business after I'd left, I thought the only thing I can do to preserve the factory in Norfolk, because Norfolk isn't the best place to have a business that works on roads and safety, was to actually see if we could get the employees to own it. Because after all, they're the ones who've actually made the firm what it is. We have room to expand. We've got room for more people in the manufacturing side, and we've got room here for more people on the backroom support staff. So the plan is to be future-proof.